Have a look at this one, the Lagonda Earls Court chassis from 1950. The Lagonda Earls Court chassis was featured at the Motor Show in 1950. This chassis was then sent to New York, USA for publicity in April of 1950, and then following this was sent to Australia, where it remained a display piece throughout Melbourne showrooms. This chassis was then purchased and relocated to Sydney and became a fascination amongst Sydney showrooms. All up, this chassis has been stored for over 50 years, and in 1953 it was known to be stored at Waterloo as the last documented location of the chassis until 1975. It was found in a container at a storage complex, and the Car Museum commissioned the restoration, detailing and conservation of the only surviving original W O Bentley designed chassis and engine.